Hi guys, follow me on Instagram to never ever miss any of my crazy updates. Hi guys and welcome to another vlog. Guess who is here? Someone somewhere hidden behind me. Yeah, where is she?
The major.
First time I'm meeting Arushi during COVID times. How is COVID done for you?
कोविड मास्क थोड़ा पहने
तो मास्क तो पहना, मास्क नहीं पहनती, बदतमीजी तो फिर बोलती है कि मतलब कोविड हो रहा है. By the way, she got COVID thrice. ऐसा नहीं हुआ.
I would have survived if I got COVID thrice.
You can survive anything.
मास्क पहनो और घर जाओ. ठीक है, तुम वापस बॉम्बे जाओ, तुम दिल्ली लाइन
अच्छा, tell me something. Everybody wants to know. तुम्हारी शादी कब होने वाली है?
अगले महीने.
Next month she's getting married. The only problem is venue is fixed, not the car. ठीक है, menu is fixed, everything is fixed. बस लड़का नहीं मिला है. इसलिए स्वयंवर होने वाला है.
बहुत टाइम से रॉन्ग में थी. अरे लोग सच में आते नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. तुम शायद बच्चे हो यार.
28 साल की बच्ची हो. वाह. अरे मेरे पर क्यों कैमरा डाल रहे हो?
Party changed.
You like Arushi?
Amazing, I love her.
Now you can't. Guys, you're married to me. Arushi, move aside. ये क्या हो गया मेरे साथ?
Bitching about you.
एक साल वो क्या करो?
वो.
Cheap. Hi guys.
I'm not taking pictures of those shit. This is so hard.
That's what she said.
एप्पल में ना एप्पल में प्रेजर्वेटिव डाल के उसको ना बचाया है कि वो सड़ने से बच जाए. फैसल, I challenge you to finish this.
Okay, I have lost the challenge.
You can open it. That's my name. These girls. I'm so busy taking pictures. ये हम फोटो भी देते रहते हैं बोल के.
Good morning guys. So last night we went with Arushi for dinner and right now we are heading somewhere, but before that we have to do a stopover because कुछ चीजें टूट चुकी हैं. Let's hurry up. Actually good morning बोला ना मैंने. It's good afternoon. All thanks to her. She doesn't get up on time. I was sitting. I got up. I was editing while you were still sleeping. And before you say I cut the camera, I'm already cutting it. Help ना.
क्या?
चलो लेके जाओ बैग्स.
Look at you.
अरे उसमें ड्रोन है.
मतलब खुद तो गिरे हुए हो ही, ऊपर से सारा सामान भी गिरा रहे हो. चलो.
Push. Bye. See ya.
कल से यूबर ड्राइव करना वेट समझ नहीं आ रहा. वेरी हेवी.
The car is here. It is very dirty. गंदी होगी actually रात भर खड़ी हुए. Now the funny thing is my wife is so hilarious ना. Every time we leave somewhere ना she's like चलेगा का सामान भूल गया. Because what happened ना, वो रोल के चक्कर में मैंने दरवाजा बंद कर दिया, चाबी अंदर रहेगी. She's like no problem, we are coming back to Delhi. And then Goa में also she's like no problem, we are coming back to Goa. I'm like we are not coming to the same resort, so you can't afford to forget things there.
You navigate na and take us there. I'll drive. क्या लेस का ऐड कर रहे हो? I'm good.
I was always inclined to make history, but I never really had the time. Spent my life living dangerously, never worried how I'm getting by.
बस. हाँ. देखो, मैं सोची अभी लोगों पे ऑलरेडी स्क्रैचेस आ गए.
किन लोगों पे? लोगो एप्पल लोगो पे. Anyways guys, we came to the ambience whatever mall right now because ये 8th floor से गिरा, जैसे 7th floor से 70 गिरा था और 5th floor से गिरा था.
सच्चाई बता दो कि आपके हाथ से गिरा है और पता नहीं वो भी कि डेलिब्रेट है या गलती से है.
Okay, can you see this? So actually what happened, she had given her phone and Soj both to me and दोनों ही गिर गए मेरे हाथ से. So now then because I broke her phone, I had to buy her a new phone. So welcome to the Apple Club.
I don't know if you did that on purpose. ये लाइट जा रही है बार-बार. मुझे तो लग रहा है did that on purpose because you always wanted me to have an iPhone.
Now she's. So
this was like 2 महीने भी नहीं हुए इसको, not even 2 months old.
So actually this was working since 1 month. Sorry 1 week से काम कर रहा था, लेकिन कल है ना बंद ही हो गया completely. गया मदरबोर्ड वगैरह सब खोला, कुछ नहीं हुआ. So now अभी emergency में I bought her an iPhone 12. So congratulations on your new phone. इसको इसकी टेंशन हो रही है स्क्रैच ना हो जाए because scratch guard लगा दिया है लेकिन cover is very expensive.
मतलब we are on a 10-day long trip, उसके बीच में we had to purchase.
And you know what she's saying? मुझे Defender केस चाहिए.
Of course.
और कुछ?
नहीं.
Apple की कंपनी खरीद के दे दूँ?
दे दो.
कौन सा Apple खाओगे? सेब.
I'm out here working, trying to do what I can. I'm out here sweating, dripping.
बेस्ट नहीं होता, कुछ दिखता ही नहीं.
मैंने बोला So 169 kilometers to go and 3.5 hours more of journey. The thing is, it took a lot of time to exit Delhi because बहुत ज़्यादा traffic होता है Delhi में somehow. Other things I noticed is that the Endeavour is extremely comfortable. Nobody drives on low beam, everybody drives on a high beam on this route. We are actually heading to Rishikesh today, which means that we are going to reach so late ना. बस पहुँच के वहाँ पे सोने ही वाले हैं. Unfortunately, that is the scenario. But the Endeavour is fab because ride quality काफ़ी अच्छी है. And of course, active noise cancellation helps a lot because the roads are not that great. So there's a lot of noise which comes from outside, wind noise and everything. But it's getting chilly right now. Nuren has been driving till now. She loves the car, but abhi we are getting late. We just stopped for a bio break, that is on this restaurant called 6 Spices, 7 Spices and 10 Spices.
कैसे जा रही है ना?
Doing what I'm good at. Just doing what I'm made for. Just doing what I'm good at.
Just 57 kilometers to go, which is 1.5 hours because obviously it's slow traffic here. She has driven till now. I'm going to take over right away because what do you mean no? ये तो मतलब दादागिरी होगी, दादागिरी होगी. नहीं, this next destination is a hotel, resort, whatever. The thing is we have to take a U-turn and come here to eat, which is a food mall. I was quite surprised. यहाँ पे KFC, Caventer, Subway, Curry Kitchen, Italy.com, Kailash Parbat and everything is there. Pizza Hut is also there. यहाँ पे इतने सारे Pizza Hut है जितने बॉम्बे में नहीं है मालूम. How was the drive?
It was nice. It was good. You were sleeping.
I never slept even for a second. And by the way, you know, she's talking from this side because इस side में तो रेनो लिखा हुआ है. रेनो का मार्क्स वो भी उल्टा.
कुछ भी.
Just doing what I'm made for. I know my money.
11:20 and finally we've reached the destination. Check-in वेक इन सब हो गया है. गाड़ी को ऐसी जगह पार्क किया ना चिपका के because there's no space of parking. Unfortunately जहाँ पे रह रहे हैं वहाँ पे पार्किंग से ज़्यादा है नहीं. But ऐसा रखा है कि cars can still come out from here. Now I'm going to go freshen up and sleep. कुछ edit कुछ करना नहीं तो इतना अच्छा फील हो रहा है ना. It's like a break finally.
You nut what? ठंड नहीं हो रही. Look at you. पहले खुद को दिखा दो. एकदम -10 डिग्री वाला जैकेट पहन के.
ये लेयर्स के साथ -10 डिग्री होता है.
Without that भी but still.
layers.
And then you switch on the fan.
अरे फैन ऑटोमेटिक ऑन, मैंने कार्ड डाला ना फैन ऑटोमेटिकली ऑन हो गया.
कार्ड कहाँ पे? एक सेकंड, कार्ड कहाँ पे है?
यहाँ पे कार्ड डाला ना.
नहीं, ठीक है.
अच्छा लिसन, एज अ गुड वाइफ you should say thank you to me for booking such a nice calm clean room.
I booked Delhi
सबूत
का.
क्या
I
है?
booked this.
घंटा सबूत किधर
It's
है?
on Nuran Faisal Khan's booking.
Just because we have a joint account. Nuran
Oh,
Faisal Khan. देखो that says it all. हमेशा मेरा क्रेडिट लेते हो, क्या मजा आता है आपको?
मैं क्रेडिट लेती हूँ. अब ये भी बोलो कि you only drove and got me here.
नहीं, we took time. You drove.
We took time. Hey, what's up?
मेकअप हो गया?
कौन सा मेकअप?
वो आप दिखाओ.
What's your problem? क्या? You want me to apply it on you also?
Good morning guys from what is a very bright Rishikesh but still a very chilly one. That's why I'm in my banana suit right now. Time almost 12 o'clock हो चुका है. Breakfast अभी 10 मिनट पहले किया है. Now we are heading to Auli, which is an 8-hour drive, which means we are running very late. Endeavour is all warmed up and it's time to get going.
Money on my mind, yeah, you bet I'm gonna have a good time. Mind on my money, money on my mind, yeah, you bet I'm gonna have a good time.
Just got out of the hotel and not even 10 kilometers later, Nuren is like मुझे photos लेने हैं. ऋषिकेश में मैंने कोई photos नहीं लिए. So we stopped at this spot to take photos. And of course, roads are super duper awesome. Lot of curves and all. And the view from here is also mind blowing. वहाँ पे rafting चल रही है नीचे. I don't know if you guys can see it, but बहुत ही sexy view है. I don't know what's going to happen in Auli because वो तो अलग ही level होने वाला है.
Well, I won't be trouble, trouble comes for me. You was always gonna find me out. I'm gonna keep on walking, taking what I need. Ain't nothing gonna touch me now. I'm out here working.
So the good progress has now become bad, all thanks to this massive traffic jam. We are sitting here since almost 10 minutes. Almost 500 cars have gone from the right side. I think there's a bottleneck ahead.
Trying to do what I can. I'm out here sweating, dripping blood.
Right now I stopped for fuel because कार का फ्यूल थोड़ा कम हो गया है and there are not many petrol pumps around. तो एक पेट्रोल पंप देखा तो मैंने कहा चलो फुल टैंक कर ही लेते हैं. 1/4 टैंक हो गया था. Fuel efficiency which I'm getting is around 7.8 kilometers per liter, but obviously driving in sport mode, idle भी काफ़ी करते हैं गाड़ी को. Now the thing is यहाँ पे they stop traffic from one side for some time so that traffic from another side can go because the roads are super narrow. वो ट्रैफिक जैम में फंस जाते हो बार. So that is something which is unforeseeable. पता नहीं कब तक पहुँचेंगे लेकिन थोड़ी बहुत भूख भी लग रही है. लंच टाइम भी हो गया है. कार फ्यूल भर रहा है. Once that's done, we'll leave again.
Blood from my hands. Oh, I'm doing what I'm good at.
अच्छी है. गाड़ी का पिकअप थोड़ा सा कम है, could be better power, but ठीक है. Comfort wise it's very nice. And यार बीच में जब वो 1 lane हो गया था and सारा you know rocks and all थे, उसके ऊपर से भी बहुत अच्छे से चले गए.
Basically she's missing the
What?
3.2.
Yeah, exactly. True.
On my money, money on my mind. Yeah, you bet I'm gonna have a good time. Mind on my money, money on my mind. Yeah, you bet I'm gonna have a good time. Let me see.
Come to a halt right now because it's time for a driver change because Nureen was driving till now, so I was resting. However, we actually stopped for a bio break. Washrooms are very difficult to find, but thankfully here at the petrol pump the washroom was clean enough. But पानी इतना ठंडा था, हाथ धोए तो हाथ एकदम freeze हो गया. There's no temperature controlled water. Weather is actually not that bad. The only thing is it takes a lot of time. You know what? I have 96 kilometers to go and ETA is 3.5 hours. That's a lot of time. You know why? Because roads are extremely narrow. Road work is going on half the places. And obviously traffic sense इतनी नहीं है, कोई कहीं से भी घुसाता रहता है तो ट्रैफिक जैम होती रहती है. एक टाइम पे एक रोड जोक देते हैं. Lot of this stuff keeps happening because of which it keeps delaying the progress. But that's how it is unfortunately. Obviously घाट section है, roads are not good, roads are narrow, तो time लगेगा. You have to be really very patient. But the Endeavour is absolutely fantastic. I love it. Has the grunt when you need it. Yeah, I do miss the 3.2 for sure because the 3.2 had excess grunt. This still has good amount of grunt, but it's so comfortable, ride quality, and of course it feels indestructible. So कभी खराब road हुआ, bad bump हुआ, you don't even think twice. You're like निकाल लेगी गाड़ी.
From one monkey to another.
Liar.
अच्छा मेरे को कौन से फोटो में टैग किया यार, मुझे दिख ही नहीं रहा.
Let me see you clap your hands. Now we're swaying to the beat. Let me see you clap your hands. Now we're swaying to the beat. Doing what I'm good at. Just doing what I'm made for. Just doing what I'm good.
Oh, finally made it to Ollie. Reached 1 hour before the estimated time thanks to the Endeavour, which you can drive really fast over bad roads and through the curves. Obviously the handling and the easy steering made it very easy to reach faster. I love the car. Of course I do. Only thing is if it had a twin turbo, I would buy it right away. But that aside, अभी यहाँ पे स्नो का एक्सपेक्टेशन था, बिल्कुल स्नो नहीं हो रही. ठंडा है वेदर बट स्नो नहीं हो रही. अब जाके खाना खाएंगे क्योंकि लंच स्किप कर दिया. देन विल डिसाइड करना क्या है बिकॉज आई डोंट नो इट्स नॉट स्नोइंग. कैसे करेंगे, क्या करेंगे, व्हाट एक्टिविटीज विल डू. बट आई वाज होपिंग टू टेक द Endeavour into snow. Not happening this year. You won't believe last year snow was there till almost April. अभी तो Feb में स्नो नहीं है. All thanks to COVID, snow like चलती हूँ मैं.